If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages on Samsung Galaxy A37, then the answer is partially yes. So if you deleted specific messages, so for example over here, if I select this message and I try to delete it, at least right now when I'm recording this video, we can just delete it and it is gone permanently. We cannot send it to trash and then be able to recover it. Of course, this might be changed in the future, but right now, as I'm recording this, we can just delete it and we cannot recover it afterwards. However, if you decide to remove a whole chat, then you can actually send it to trash. And this has been apparently updated some time ago, not so long time ago actually, because previously it was not possible to recover conversations or chats as well, just like messages. But right now we can actually move chat to trash. And of course, in that case, we can go to our Google account, open the trash menu, and then in here we can restore everything that we have in here, or just, of course, individual chats. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.